Hello, welcome to AI Learning. Telangana Current Affairs. Number 17. Culture and Heritage. The Deccan Festival in Telangana celebrates the culture of the Deccan Plateau. The Pochampally saris of Telangana are known for their intricate designs using tie and dye technique. The Medaram Jatara festival in Telangana is celebrated in which district? Malagu. The Golconda Fort in Telangana served as a major center for trading diamonds. The Kaleshwaram Temple in Telangana is located at the confluence of which rivers? Godavari and Pranahita. The Kakatiya Rock Garden in Telangana is known for its sculptures made from recycled materials. The Nizamabad Nandi is a famous sculpture located in which district of Telangana? Nizamabad. The Bathakama festival of Telangana is celebrated during which Hindu month? Ashwayuha. The Deccan Festival in Telangana celebrates the culture of the Deccan Plateau. The Pochampally saris of Telangana are known for their intricate designs using tie and dye technique. The Medaram Jatara festival in Telangana is celebrated in which district? Malagu. The Chaya Somaswara temple in Telangana is known for its unique feature of sunlight falling directly on the deity's idol on Makar Sankranti. The Bingir Fort in Telangana was built during the reign of the Kakatiya dynasty. The Golconda Fort in Telangana is renowned for its acoustic architecture. The Samaka Saralama Jatara festival is celebrated once every 2 years. The Devarakonda Fort in Telangana was built by the Kakatiya dynasty. The Golconda Fort in Telangana is famous for its sound and light show. The Nizamabad Nandi sculpture in Telangana is made of black stone. The Sarornagar Palace in Telangana was once a residence of the Nizams of Hyderabad. The Medaram Jatara festival in Telangana is associated with the worship of Samaka Saralama. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more interesting learning videos.